morning. How y'all doing? I am down here at the St. Mary's waterfront because there's too much noise at my house for me to do a video, and I really want to post this today. So, me and Lily are up here, and there's free camping up here. Did you know that? Right here on the waterfront. See, big enough for a bus. A big bus. So a Class A will fit in here just fine. In fact, I'm parked in one, and you can park here for 24 hours. You want to see my view today? Here's our view of the St. Mary's waterfront. Sailboats out there. It is a nice, gorgeous day. Say hello, Miss Lily. Say hi. You gonna smile for him? Say, no, I'm mad because Mama wouldn't let me bark at that dog. Are you just gonna stare at the camera now? All right. Anyway, I'm talking vintage trailers today. Yes, it's a hot item these days. And I went, the day before yesterday, and videoed a friend of ours camper. And he's going to have it for sale. I'll put all the extra stuff down in the bottom in the description. And enjoy the video. This is a 1990 Holiday Rambler Illuminlight. And they are selling it. I'm not for sure how much yet. But they lived in this unit for 5 years. It's very clean. Has a ton of storage. You've got all this storage up here. Wow. Lights everywhere. Storage there. Everywhere. Oh, and the microwave goes with it. And behind the sofa here, let's see here. Oh, look. A big storage area right there. Isn't that awesome? That is awesome. The table folds down into a bed. Got a magazine rack there, and if you notice, there's another one right there by the door. Got LED lights everywhere. Tons of storage in this unit. It's 31 feet long. Double sink. And look at this. This is awesome. They've got central vac. Isn't that cool? Wow. Drawer stack right there. Nice laminate floors. A 4-burner oven. And of course the fan. And this is nice here. Look here. This came standard with this unit. Is that not cool? That is freaking cool. Okay. The refrigerator, he said, went out, and they put this one in here, but a bigger refrigerator can go in there. Got a little chair right there. Entertainment center there with all kinds of storage underneath it. The cornice over the window has storage above it. Brand new AC unit. Storage above the sofa. Big window back there. And there is storage under here, right there. Very good. Let's see. Oh, storage also under the refrigerator like mine. Here's your panel. Everything in here is original. Okay. Big hall closet. Big hall closet. Lots and lots. Hold on, I'll get some light in here. Lots of storage in here. Yes, hanging clothes. That's very nice, very nice. They said the little heater here goes with it. Got drawer stacks here. That's awesome. They're wood. Nice towel hanger right there on the door of the bathroom. Bathroom sink. Everything's nice and clean. Look at that big shower. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Privacy door screen here for the bedroom. Here we go. Lots of storage in the bedroom too. They have new blackout shades they just put in. Very nice. Of course, there's twin beds in here with a little storage in between. And each bed has storage underneath. That one. And that one. There's the TV. Big windows. It's very nice. Awnings on the outside of the windows. That's fantastic. The attachment for the TV. I love it. Very nice. Wow. Alright, now we'll go outside. Nice window awnings on the outside. There's no damage to the unit. Brand new awning. Wheel covers. Very nice unit. Nice damage-free rock guard. Got the tank covers. And everything works. And did I mention it's a Holiday Rambler? Yes, Holiday Rambler. We're going to place all the information down below. Very nice unit. Very nice indeed. Awesome. As soon as I was going to post the video, the owner calls me and says, somebody called me and said they wanted to buy it. That's how quickly they are going. So if you're wanting a vintage trailer, make sure you check it out. Make sure it's in good condition. And then buy and enjoy. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We need all the subscribers we can get. Thank y'all. Have a great day.